How to fix page isn't available right now on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix page isn't available right now on your Instagram. So if you're getting this pop-up error on your Instagram, this is what you do. So there are many reasons why this error can occur. So the first one is basically your network error. So make sure that you're connected to the internet. You can also check, you can always go to your control center, check for your Wi-Fi connection, make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi. And after you've connected to a Wi-Fi, you can then also switch to a mobile data if your Wi-Fi is not working. And if your network is not the issue, you can always go to your Instagram to check again, check if it is working now. If it's not working, what you can do is check if the link that you're trying to open off the Instagram is correct. Now, sometimes due to any error in link, you can get that very error that is the page isn't available. So, yeah, sometimes also what happens is that the post or anything that you want to see on your Instagram is not working due to, the post being deleted or the post being private, so that can be the reasons why this can occur. And there isn't much you can do about it, but yeah, the only fix that you can do is check for your internet connection and the link you're trying to go to and just fix those and see if it works. If not, it can be mostly due to post being private or the post being deleted. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.